Mr. Lewis, you are not the father.
Bam!
God.
Cut out. That's our father right there. That's him right there.
Today, we are talking about a serious thing that is happening in Jamaica too many times, and this is paternity fraud. Welcome back to the channel where we talk things Jamaican. So, today we are talking about a serious thing, paternity fraud. Paternity fraud, a thing will happen when a woman names a man as the father of her child when he is not the real father. And you know, it's a big problem in Jamaica. According to a DNA testing company, in 70% of the tests, the men who name as fathers weren't even biological fathers. That's a scary thing, especially when you think about the psychological damage it can cause to the child. Now, the Member of Parliament, Hughie Clark, has stepped forward to say that he wants to push for a law that will make DNA testing mandatory at birth. That way, we can be sure that the father name on the birth certificate is the real father. Now, according to what the MP Clark says, he says paternity fraud, it's a big problem in Jamaica and it's one of the leading causes of domestic violence. We need to find a way to stop this, and DNA testing is the answer. That's a wise thing. We need to protect the rights of men and the children and make sure that people who engage in paternity fraud face the consequences. You might be wondering, how does paternity fraud affect the child? Well, it can cause all sorts of problems from low self-esteem to difficulty in forming relationships in the future. And you know, it's not just the emotional damage, it's also the financial burden. Cause the child may be entitled to certain benefits or rights, but it's all based on the wrong information. So you see, paternity fraud is a serious thing and we need to take action to stop it. We owe it to ourselves, our children and our communities to create a more honest and just society. Today we talk, as I say, I'm going to, just go over a little bit of it. That today we talk about paternity fraud, a problem that affecting many of us in Jamaica. We need to take action to stop it and create a more honest and just society. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time on this channel where we'll talk more about things in Jamaica.